Okay, so this is one of the projects that I'm working on now that I have my 3D printer up and running. And I don't know exactly when I'm going to release this video or if I will or whatnot, but basically, I've taken to watching James May's Mail Time on YouTube. Um, there have been some good reactions from him. He's got some cool stuff, but also like the tiny jar with Bellend in it. That was just fucking amazing. Uh, so I wanted to send him something. This is one of those things that while I'm doing it, I just stop and realize how ridiculous it is, but it's also still greatly entertaining. How much space do I have? So yeah, basically I ordered a marble filament specifically for this. And so yeah, I wanted to send him something that I highly doubt he will keep, but I think this will be really, really just a good reaction. So basically, fairly classic statue that will get this video demonetized if I ever get monetization. It's the statue of David by Michelangelo. And it printed out quite nice actually. I didn't get supports, so I'm using tree supports. And I didn't do the elbow quite well enough, and that didn't work well. So the arm fell off around there. Everything else printed really nicely. However, that alone isn't something that would get a weird reaction, a miniature marble rendition of the statue of David. Um, but if I were to modify it, if I were to modify the statue of David to bear a resemblance to someone James May knows, uh, um, I just find this far too entertaining. Oh, I don't know what the turnaround time on him getting projects and stuff. It's currently Sunday. Wait, is it still Sunday? Okay, it's still Sunday. So 2 days until I get the marble filament and I can actually work on printing this. But yes, as you can see, the quite originally lean figure of the statue of David has been replaced with a slightly more accurate figure along with a head that resembles Jeremy Clarkson. uh, oh, I find this really good, and I'm working on just getting the neck done basically. So I don't want too much of a line around it. That's actually pretty good because I have to remember that I'm also 3D printing this, so that's not gonna be quite visible. I originally did one where the head was smaller than this. This looks slightly bobble-headed, but with the head looking a similar-ish size to this one in Mesh Mixer, in the print it didn't turn out quite right. I think that's partially because it wasn't for like facing you. It was facing you, not off to the side, like the original. This one I made facing off to the side just a little bit more, and I scaled the head up a little bit more. Just because when this head was about this size, the problem is that it was shorter down on the neck, and it looked, maybe it was slightly smaller. It was too small. It didn't work out well. It was still, pretty resembling him, but it just looked like a too small of a head for the size of the body. So it's not going to be great, but also, it's like I said, it's 3D printed. These details will kind of get lost a bit anyways. In the prints, there's actually this strap going down and everything. Like, it's actually printing out really nicely. So yeah, like the ground texture and stuff, actually is coming out quite nicely in the 3D prints. So when that's marble, I think it's going to look really quite nice. And I'm probably going to try and find something better to print that he might want to keep, and then he might give this one away or throw it out. I don't know. It's going to be like a 9 or a 10 hour print at 0.15. I might do 0.2, but I'll probably try to go for a bit finer detail. But then I'm just waiting. I'm so eager because it's either gonna be. I think either way, whatever his reaction to this is gonna be like pretty fucking good. So yeah, I basically just did a plain cut. Here, I can do it on this one. So I basically just did a plain cut, I'll flip it around, but basically cut off the head, keep the body on this side, keep the head on the other one, and just cut off the little plaque statue thing that it was on. And then for the more resemblance to Clarkson, uh, shit. I just used, what was it? I think it was the volume setting, and I think it was the inflate. Or was it? I think it was just the inflate with relatively, relaxed settings. Yeah, that was the one. So it was the inflate tool, and then I smoothed out on top of the inflation, just to get rid of some of the lines and deformities. I found that if I was using the surface version of that, not the volume version, when I was over here, it was actually affecting the arm. Although now it doesn't seem... this is like way more than I did. Okay, so maybe it was because of the... No, I didn't have the support. Or I did have the supports. When I was doing the surface version, it was affecting the arm for some reason, so I went for the volume version. But yeah, basically, you swell the whole stomach out and then smoothed it down a bit. It actually kept some of the details like decently that I didn't change. And then for the belly button, that's a little off center. Just move that down. For the belly button, I just did the move. So that would have been the volume tool, and that would have been the move, and then set fairly small, and then you just drag and you move in like that, and then go from a slightly different angle, drag in, and you get something that's decently resembling a belly button. Again, 3D printing and stuff, it's roughly in the right spot. But yeah, so those are... But yeah, so that is the 3D print that I'm going to be sending. The supports might change and stuff, just to get the elbow and stuff a little bit better. But that is more or less the 3D printed in marble figure that I'm going to send off to James May's mail time. And I hope that's going to get a really good reaction. I don't know. I think it'll be pretty good. If I don't know how much stuff he gets and how fast the turnaround time is and whatnot, but the rendition printed out was pretty good. So I'll probably throw a time lapse in of it now after this printing.